Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. Today I will talk about the FlowRow Compose. The white box here is a column, and the light bright box here is FlowRows. I put chip item compose inside the FlowRows. The chip item here is quite simple. We should have a width pattern for the compose, and set the background for this with color and the rounded corner shape and height of the chip item. Go back to FlowRow. I put many chip item here with different color background and different width. You can see on the right side here the chip item compose are in multiple lines, so the FlowRow here is automatically break the children into multiple lines when it has not enough space. If you increase the width of the FlowRow to 500, it will longer, and the item and some item will go on the first line. There is a parameter to configure the maximum item in each round. You can use max items in each round. Here I set it 2. You can see each round here there are only 2 items, and there are many space after each round. The FlowRow Compose doesn't care about this space. There is only 2 items on each round is enough, and you can arrange the item inside the FlowRow Compose on the left side. On the left side by default, you can set it on the right side and center. You can use space around, space between, and space evenly. It depends on the requirement, and it is similar for the FlowColumn. You can do the same way. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.